Description and physical characteristics. The blue tang fish, scientifically known as Paracanthurus hepatus, is a strikingly beautiful marine species that belongs to the family Acanthuridae, commonly known as surgeonfish. This fish is characterized by a vibrant blue body that can vary in shade depending on environmental factors and stress levels, as well as a distinctive yellow tail that adds to its allure. Blue tangs typically reach a size of about 8 to 12 inches, 20 to 30 centimeters in length. Their bodies have an oval shape that allows for swift swimming and agile maneuvering through the complex structures of coral reefs. One of blue tang's most notable features is the sharp spine located near their tail. This spine, also known as a scalpel, can be used defensively against predators and rivals, making them one of the most fascinating fish to observe in their natural habitat. Habitat and distribution. Blue tang fish are primarily found in the Indo-Pacific region, inhabiting the warm waters of the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. They prefer shallow, reef-associated environments, often residing in coral reefs, lagoons, and rocky areas at depths ranging from 1 to 40 meters, 3 to 130 feet. These vibrant fish thrive in areas with abundant coral growth, which provides both food and shelter. Coral reefs are biodiversity hotspots, teeming with various marine life, making them an ideal habitat for blue tangs to forage and establish territories. Behavior and social structure. Blue tangs exhibit intriguing social behavior and are frequently found in small groups or pairs. They are known for their territorial nature, especially during breeding seasons. These fish communicate with each other using various body postures and color changes. When establishing dominance, they may display vibrant colors or change their posture to appear larger and more intimidating. These fish are agile swimmers and can quickly dart into crevices or under coral formations to evade predators, including larger fish species and sharks. Their social structure can vary, with some individuals forming loose groups, while others prefer solitary lifestyles. Diet and feeding habits. Blue tangs are herbivores that primarily feed on algae, seagrasses, and detritus found on coral reefs. Their diet is crucial for maintaining the health of the reef ecosystem, as they help control algal growth that can otherwise overtake coral and hinder its growth. In the wild, blue tangs graze on various types of algae, including filamentous algae and turf algae. Their specialized mouth structure allows them to scrape algae off surfaces efficiently. In an aquarium setting, it's essential to provide a diet that mimics their natural feeding habits. High-quality marine vegetables such as nori, seaweed, spirulina, and herbivore pellets should be offered regularly to keep them healthy and vibrant. Reproduction and life cycle. Blue tangs exhibit unique reproductive behaviors that are influenced by environmental factors, including lunar cycles. During spawning events, females can release thousands of eggs, which are then fertilized by males. The fertilized eggs float on the water's surface and hatch within a few days. Once hatched, the larvae are planktonic, drifting with ocean currents for several weeks before settling in suitable habitats. The survival rate of larvae is relatively low, with many succumbing to predation or unfavorable environmental conditions. The journey from larva to juvenile blue tang involves navigating numerous challenges in the open ocean before finding a stable home in a coral reef. Importance in marine ecosystems. Blue tang fish play a vital role in maintaining the health of coral reefs. As herbivores, they help control algal populations, preventing overgrowth that can smother corals and limit their growth. Their grazing habits ensure that corals receive sufficient light, which is critical for their survival. The balance created by blue tangs and other herbivorous fish in reef ecosystems is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and supporting a wide variety of marine life. By controlling algae growth, blue tangs contribute to the overall health of coral reefs, making them essential players in marine ecosystems. Conservation status and threats. Despite their importance in the ecosystem, blue tang fish have faced significant threats due to overfishing, habitat destruction, and the impacts of climate change. Their popularity in the aquarium trade has led to unsustainable harvesting practices, putting pressure on wild populations. The destruction of coral reefs, driven by pollution, climate change, and coastal development, poses additional challenges for blue tang fish. Coral bleaching events, caused by rising sea temperatures, further threaten their habitats and the overall health of reef ecosystems. Conservation efforts are underway to protect blue tangs and their habitats. Many organizations are working to promote sustainable fishing practices and raise awareness about the importance of preserving coral reefs. Additionally, aquaculture practices are being developed to reduce the pressure on wild populations and ensure the long-term survival of this species. Care in home aquariums. Keeping blue tang fish in home aquariums requires a solid understanding of their needs and behavior. They thrive in large tanks with ample swimming space and hiding spots. A minimum tank size of 75 gallons is recommended to provide enough room for these active swimmers. Water quality is paramount for the health of blue tangs. Ideal conditions include a temperature range of 75 to 82 Celsius in 2028 Celsius, pH levels between 8.1 and 8.4, and salinity between 1.02 and 1.025. Regular water changes and the use of a high-quality filtration system are essential to maintaining optimal water quality. Common diseases and health issues. Like many marine fish, blue tangs are susceptible to various diseases, including white spot disease, marine velvet, and fin rot. It's crucial for aquarium owners to monitor their fish closely for signs of stress or illness, such as rapid gill movement, discoloration, or abnormal swimming patterns. To prevent disease outbreaks, maintaining high water quality and practicing proper husbandry are essential. Quarantine procedures should be implemented when introducing new fish to an established tank to minimize the risk of disease transmission. Fun facts about blue tang fish. Blue tangs can change their color intensity depending on their mood or stress level. This ability to change colors is a fascinating aspect of their behavior. They have a unique defense mechanism. The sharp spine near their tail can be used to deliver a painful jab to predators. Blue tangs have gained popularity in popular culture, particularly due to their portrayal in animated films like Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. This exposure has increased public interest in marine conservation and aquarium keeping. Final thoughts. The blue tang fish is a stunning and vital species within the marine ecosystem. Their vibrant colors, social behavior, and ecological importance make them a captivating subject for both marine biologists and aquarium enthusiasts. Understanding their needs and promoting responsible ownership can help ensure that future generations will continue to admire and appreciate these remarkable creatures. In summary, the blue tang is not just a beautiful fish, but a critical player in the health of coral reefs. By supporting conservation efforts and advocating for sustainable practices, we can help protect blue tang fish and their habitats, ensuring their survival for years to come.